Hey guys, it's Trinity.
And Morgan, and today we're going to the beach.
But we're having a stop at Starbucks.
So now we are at the beach.
And we're gonna go have some fun! Some pretty big waves, and it's been so much fun.
This is absolutely awesome. Definitely recommend coming to Carpinteria.
Oh, I know what we can do. There you go, Mommy.
Perfect.
Baby powder is that if your foot is sandy or your leg or whatever, if you put some baby powder on and you wipe it, the sand comes right off. And then your feet are nice and clean, no sandy feet.
So that was absolutely awesome. Then again, I recommend again to come here, Carpinteria Beach. And now we're heading off to Rusty's Pizza Parlor. So now we are at Rusty's Pizza Parlor.
Yum yum in my tummy. Pizza!